I like that. Well, it's interesting is because what I've noticed personally, like even yesterday, I was with a friend, and this person, to my knowledge, hasn't been huge in taking edibles consistently. But now they are. Obviously, I won't say the name for privacy, but it's both of one of our good friends. And you know, I mean, simple edibles, little gummies, 100 milligrams, meaning obviously 10 gummies, 10 milligrams each. He's usually taking a half a gummy at a time. So that's about 5 milligrams. He's a low dose guy too. So right there, that's 20. So he's buying edibles, driving there, parking, like you said, the whole time factor, just
I haven't
to,
really thought about it as much till now,
right.
honestly.
So that's 20, that's basically 20 quote unquote doses, right? At least for him. You think about like what we're talking about, you infuse some olive oil and you have it in a spray bottle, and one spray will get you high. That's gonna last so much longer. It's not even funny. And like you said, what I love about your vision is you're putting the power back to the people, where it's like, hey, okay, obviously, if you're watching this video, you enjoy cannabis, right? Like we're talking as fellow cannabis consumers who enjoy cannabis, right? It's like you want to get high, right? Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching this video, right? And you've probably gotten high the same way the majority of your life. Probably either smoking out of a bowl, you smoke joints, you do edibles. Okay, maybe you take a bong, maybe you're into the whatever, dabs, whatever you do. Okay, but most people have stuck to the same routine for a long time. Let's have some fun, switch it up. Like I said, olive oil can go on borderline anything you're cooking.
Well, and that's where, like, too, like, I can geek out on this shit
You can control
literally
a
for
microdose in
I
the
could
morning
literally
on
just for
toast.
well, also too,
Crazy.
also you can change with the flavor profile too, and this is also a smell hack. Like, so you can if you're infusing and you're worried about smell, like, there's a video on Mason Pot channel to just cook some garlic cloves separately. Also, if you wanna just elevate your infusion and get, like, a little crazy, like, with olive oil in general, when you go get a nice steak at a restaurant, what are the flavors? Garlic, rosemary, butter, or olive oil. So take just you could throw that in your infusion in the fucking mason pot jar. Just throw some garlic cloves, throw some rosemary. All of a sudden, not only does it smell better, but then you have the, depending if that's the flavor you want.